Ever wondered what happens when thousands of people gather in the Mile High City for a celebration unlike any other? Welcome to the Mile High 0420 Festival, an event that transforms Denver's Civic Center Park into a vibrant, pulsating hub of activity. For a newcomer like Leo, the air itself felt different, a fragrant blend that hinted at freedom and a whole lot of fun. As he walked through the entrance, he was greeted by a sea of tie-dye as far as the eye could see, a sea of smiles and a reggae rhythm that made the very ground pulse. This wasn't just a gathering, it was an experience. Forget your everyday market. Here you could find everything from hemp-woven wonders to snacks that would satisfy any craving. The vibe? Pure relaxation, a judgment-free zone where everyone seemed to be in on the same happy secret. Leo wasn't a regular in this scene, but the energy was infectious. He felt a connection with everyone around, a silent understanding passing between strangers. As the afternoon sun climbed higher, so did the energy. The park transformed into a vibrant tapestry of humanity, all drawn together by the unique spirit of the day. Finding a patch of grass, Leo leaned back, the music washing over him. It wasn't just the sights and sounds, it was a feeling, a collective wave of good vibes that was almost tangible. He knew this was something special, a Denver ritual he was glad he hadn't missed. The Mile High 0420 Festival is more than just an event. It's a celebration of culture, community, and cannabis. It's a place where people from all walks of life come together to enjoy music, art, and the freedom to be themselves. The festival features a diverse lineup of musical acts from reggae to hip-hop, ensuring there's something for everyone. The stages are alive with performances that keep the crowd moving and grooving all day long. And it's not just about the music. The Mile High 0420 Festival is a feast for the senses, with food vendors offering a variety of delicious treats from classic festival fare to gourmet delights. And for Leo, this was a day he would never forget, a day of new experiences, new friends, and a new appreciation for the Mile High City. As he made his way home, he couldn't help but smile, knowing that he had been a part of something truly special. The Mile High 0420 Festival, a celebration of freedom, community, and the joy of living life to the fullest. Video cuts to black. Text overlay, part 2, let us know in the comments.